Hello everyone, today we are going to learn inheritance in C++. One of the most important concepts in object-oriented programming is that of inheritance. Inheritance allows us to define a class in terms of another class, which makes it easier to create and maintain an application. This also provides an opportunity to reuse the code functionality and fast implementation time. When creating a class, instead of writing completely new data members and member functions, the programmer can designate that new class should inherit the members of existing class. This existing class is called as base class and the new class is referred as derived class. Inheritance is the process by which new class called derived class are created from existing class called base class. The derived classes have all the features of the base class and the programmer can choose to add new features specific to the newly created derived class. This is the syntax for creating inheritance: class, derived class name, access specifier, base class name. For example, if the base class is my class and the derived class is sample, it is specified as class sample colon public my class. The above makes sample has access to both public and protected members of the base class my class. There are three access specifiers: public, private, and protected. If a member of variable defined in a class is private, then they are accessible by members of the same class only and cannot be accessed from outside the class. Public members and variables are accessible from outside the class. Protected access specifier is a stage between private and public. If member functions or variables defined in class are protected, then they cannot be accessed from outside the class but can be accessed from derived class. This is the example for inheritance. There are multiple types of inheritance. First one is single inheritance. Single inheritance is one where you have a single base class and a single derived class. Class employee is the base class and class manager is the subclass. Second one is multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, a class inherits its properties from another derived class. That is, class B will inherit the properties of class A and class C will inherit the properties of class B. Third one is multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, a derived class inherits from multiple base classes. It has properties of both the base classes. That is, class C will have the properties of class A as well as class B. Fourth one is hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, it's like an inverted tree. So multiple classes inherit from a single base class. It's quite analogous to file system in a Unix based system. That is, class A is derived by class B, class D, and class C, etc. Fifth one is hybrid inheritance. In this type of inheritance, we have mixture of number of inheritance, but this can generate an error of using same name function from number of classes, which will bother the compiler to how to use the function. Therefore, it will generate errors in the program. This is known as ambiguity or duplicity. Ambiguity program can be solved by using virtual base classes. Uh, this is the diagram for hybrid inheritance. Thank you.